Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to log in OfficeWorks account. In order to log into your OfficeWorks, first you'll need to open browser of your choice. Here I'll be using Google Chrome. On the very top in the search bar, you'll have to type in officeworks.com.au. Now here you'll have to confirm if you are human. For that you'll have to click on the begin option. You will be redirected shortly. Now you will see home page of OfficeWorks. From here you'll have to tap on the login option on the very top. Now you'll have to tap on the login option. After that you'll be asked in to type in your email address and password in order to log in. Make sure you type in the email address that you have first created your OfficeWorks account with. Now you'll have to type in your password. After you type in both your email address and password correctly, you'll have to click on login option here. After you click on login option, you'll be logged in into your OfficeWorks account successfully. This was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to log into your OfficeWorks account. Thank you for staying till the very end of this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave us like, share, and subscribe.